Ciao Tesla people, today I have a new product from TOPABYTE company. They sent me some cleaner and protector for the leather seats, in this case the white seats. I ordered one and I have a discount code. It's 20% off with the Ciao Tesla coupon code, so you can get it like that. I'm going to leave everything in the description, the links and the coupon code. And I'm going to do an unboxing and I'm going to show you how it cleans. Let me put you here. Okay, so this is the box. And I picked the one for the white seats, the white leather vegan seats, okay? So basically there is the cleaner here. It's one of those foamy type of cleaner, so pretty standard. And then it has a sponge, probably for the most part of the seats that are dirtier. And then it has let me put you the. And then it has a microfiber towel. So the unboxing on this guy. A pretty nice size. So I'm going to use this one first to do the seat here, because there are some spots where there is some dirt. Mostly is from sitting down with my pants and all that stuff. So I want to clean this, and then probably I'll do this seat too, just to do it, because there is another person sitting here. And then I have a pretty not dirty, but there are some spots near the seat belt in the back seat, so it's down there. Okay, so I'm going to do that too. So let's apply the soap to the. Let me move these boxes from the way. The sponge, I'm going to use the towel, so I'm going to put some soap on the towel and then apply to the seat. Okay, you can use the sponge too, of course, but I wanted to do it this one first, and then I shake it a little bit. Okay, so if you can tell. Okay, so okay. So let me put it on the side, this guy, and clean like this. You apply. I don't know if you can see it, but okay. Wait, what? It's cleaning right away. You cleaning? Wow. Okay, that's surprising. So I had some spots here for, my pants and stuff. Let's try again. And let's do this side. I can't believe it. I'm very surprised because those spots are gone. Okay, let's check out this part. You see, there's some. It's not dirt. It's just the pants and they crack this. Okay, let's put it some more. Okay, and let's do this side. Okay, wow, I can't believe it. There's some remaining here, but I can apply a bit more. But it's cleaning really good. I'm very, very surprised. Wow. It's really good. I think it's between the leather seats that they clean really good and the product. It's doing a very good job. Okay. Nice. I'll give a clean to everything else a bit later. Let's check out the spot that I was talking about in the back. That looks like it's going to be a bit more work. Let me get out here. Okay, let's grab the foam. Okay. Put the foam here. Just a second, and this is the spot. You see? Here. And my guess is the seat belt that is scratching and leaving some marks. If you see, here it's dirt. Okay. So let's try with the sponge first. This is difficult one. Yeah, but it's doing something. Yeah, it's still there. Yeah, this is because the seat belt scratched the leather. So let's use it a bit more. Let me leave it a bit there. You see, there's some discoloration of the seat belt. But it was worse before, so it is working, but needs more work. Need to be here a bit more. Okay, let me try a bit with the towel. There. Okay, didn't go all the way away, everything, but it's much better than before, which is good. Yeah, and this is just because it's plastic more than the plastic of the seat belt, a bit different from other type of dirt, but it's much better than before, which is good. I'm happy. I know that was difficult to remove this, but maybe if I do it a few times. Let me put some more, and I'm going to leave it there for a bit and see how it goes. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to leave it there for a bit. Anyway, looks like this foam soap is working pretty good. It removed all the stain I had in the seats in the front. And this one I reduced a little bit. I'm going to do some more work to see if it comes away. The problem is a bit different from your clothes that leave some stain on the seat compared to the plastic of the seat belt. So let me just leave it like this. But it works pretty good. I'm pretty surprised from the one in front, and I knew that in the back with this seatbelt stain was going to be much more difficult. So I'm going to leave it the foam there for a bit, so that maybe it can eat out the stain. Anyway, let me go back to the front a second. So it worked pretty good. So for the leather seats, it cleans really well. That stain is a bit different because it's plastic from the seat belt. So I left the soap on it, and I'm going to probably come back in 15-20 minutes to see if it's out of the stain. So anyway, I'm going to leave all the links in the description. The coupon code is Ciao Tesla. The company is TOPABYTE. Here, it's the box. And the coupon code is 20% off. So pretty good deal. I think it was 24 euros, dollar, I don't know, 26, 27, something like that. No, actually, less. I don't know the exchange. Anyway, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you next video. Ciao Tesla people.